Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. So really quick, I just wanted to go over, update you guys on a few things that I have been up to, and then we'll jump to the painting part of the video, which is 2 negative space type straight pours. Some of you may have already seen the pictures of them on my Instagram or Facebook or my YouTube feed. But before we get into that, I just wanted to fill you guys in. As some of you know, I sell Colourarte for the EU, and I ship to the UK as well. So I've just restocked yesterday. I have the jelly bean set, which is the first time on my site. And the jelly bean set comes with the polypore, 8 ounces of the polypore, and your spoon. So I have those up there. And then I have a bunch of loose jars of the glitz and some more of my favorite colors and all that. So if you want to check that out, you can go to ericahughesart.com, and I will also link that in the description under this video. And then also if you're in the USA and you want to get your Colourarte products from the USA, shop at www.colourarte.com, and at checkout you could stick in code EricaHughes120 for 20% off your entire order. That's USA only. Okay, and then number 2, which I'm super excited about, is if some of you are, well, I know some of you are in my Facebook group, myself and Mark Gilday Art's Facebook group, Pour, Scrape, Repeat. If you're not in the group and you'd like to join, I will link below so you can head over to Facebook and join. We share our artwork, ask questions, give advice, tips, tricks, all that good stuff, support, and it's a great community and we are loving it. So if you want to head over there and join, we would love that. But just this past, over the last few days, we've released our website, pourscraperepeat.com, and we are selling a bunch of products, such as the split cup. This is a 4-chamber split cup. We have coaster stands, so if you're doing little coasters, the bloom technique, or whatever technique, the ring pour, mini Dutch pours, all that good stuff, we have little stands for that. We have things like scrapers, swipers, all that good stuff. Some of you may have seen Mark Gilday Art's video using Puffy 2000 for smaller Dutch pours. He did 2 Dutch pours with this on a black base. Both of them were on a black base and they turned out fantastic. So we have that up on the site. We also have this 14-inch spinner, handcrafted by my hubby. So about this spinner, it's 14 inches. And we have put these tabs on the side, so when everything gets slippery and crazy, you can use your finger to give it a good grip and spin, or as well as you can get one of the smaller wooden sticks, and there's a slot here for that, so you can stick that in there and spin it like that, so you get a good spin. So there's 2 tabs on the back. We did sell out of these fairly quick, so we will have these restocked in the next 4 or 5 days. So keep your eye out on the site for more of these. Exciting stuff. Thank you to everybody who has ordered. I'm going to stick in a little ad so you can see all the products that we have, and there's going to be more in the future. We already have lots more ideas. So check it out. Right guys, hopefully you enjoyed that clip, and if you want to check out the website, Again, it'll be in the description box under this video. So thanks, and now we can get on to the painting part. See you guys.